In this video, I'm about to show you how to fix corrupted save data in Rocket League PS4. To fix corrupted save data in Rocket League on PS4, you can back up your data using 3 options. If you have PlayStation Plus, use online storage. For cloud storage, go to Settings, select System, then Power Saving, and enable Stay Connected to the Internet. After that, go to Settings, then Save Data and Game/App Settings to manage your data. For USB backup, insert a USB, go to Settings, select Application Save Data Management, then Save Data and System Storage, and choose Copy to USB Storage Device. Wait for the transfer to finish and remove the USB. To delete the corrupted save file, go to Settings, select Storage and choose Save Data. Then select Rocket League, press Options and click Delete. After launching Rocket League, a new save file will be created. If you've enabled automatic downloads, the new file will back up to cloud storage. If the problem persists, download the backup from the cloud. Go to Settings, then Save Data and Game/App Settings and select Cloud Storage. Choose Rocket League and download it to your console storage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.